Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to apply for a job on Publix, then this video is for you. So you have to do is you have to open your browser and simply search for Publix carriers. Here it is. Now simply search for it and you can find the Publix, and you can simply click on that website where you can find the job board. Here you can find you link at the Publix and you can search the job with the job title if you have any specific job expectation or the keyword from that job, like shop manager, inventory management, anything like this, and then you can select its location, or you can specify it by your location if you want to get a job nearby your home. Then you can simply click on search, or otherwise if you don't want to specify it, you also can click on the search button. Then you, after adding the search button, you can find too many jobs currently available on this Publix. Here you can see 304 jobs are currently available. This one is warehouse person, that a kind of the inventory management in Miami, Florida. So you can do is you can find the salary range here and the type on site and the length of duration of that job is full time. Now you have to simply search find from this list. You can scroll down and you can go to another page, and you can actually browse all of these jobs that currently available and see which one actually suits perfect or better you with the location, the salary, the post. That then after if you get a perfect match for you, you can simply click on that to get the details about the job. So here you can find a short overview about the details of the job, and here is the description where you can find all the description about the job, what is actually for it. Now your duties and responsibilities, what you are looking for, that they are looking for actually. So what you have to do, that you must be at least 18 years old, like this, and more here, more conditions, and there is the benefits that you will get by this job. Year in bonus, so you will get a year in bonus also. Now here is the additional information. So I highly suggest you to read this description A to Z perfectly. Then you can find apply button, but make sure that you have just create a candidate account on this Publix, so it will be easy to apply. So simply click on apply button after login to your candidate account. Then you have to wait until it loads you. It redirects you to the job application window where you can find the details about the job again, and you have to scroll down here and you can find apply as external applicant. So if you have applied before on this Publix with some information, so you can click on this button here, so it can actually regenerate your data from that application, and it will just set all of your data in this application here. Now simply click on, you can simply save it or send it to friends. So simply click on apply. Now you have to log into your Publix account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account here. So this is actually not working right now, so don't worry, you can use a email address and a password here. So I'm going to use a password. Let's see if it's worked for me. Now I have just created, click on this don't have this account. So if you want to create a new account from here, you can use it, like enter your email address, enter a password here. So I'm going to add a password here. Then re-enter your password again. So I'm going to re-enter my password again. Sorry, I have just entered it. Now you have to select the security question from here, just like what is the name of your first school, anything, like I'm going to add it like anything. Then question 2 is favorite vacation sport, anything like this. And also the third question, what is your is actually first car you want, like Algae, and simply click on continue, and it will create your account. So start your application. So here you can see it has just started my application here. So you have to do is you have to simply click on let's get started. Simply click on this button and it will take 5 to 7 minutes. So ready to start application. So simply click on this, let's get started. Now here you have to go with this and save and finish later here. Application process, save and continue. Now from here you can find some terms and conditions from here, so please read this following carefully. So you have to read this whole text from here carefully about what they actually asking. So simply click on I agree and save and continue. Now from here you have to answer all of this question and complete this text consent bar to the 100%. That do you want to receive text notification about your application? Yes, and simply by providing your mobile number below, you agree to receive text notification about your application. You can add it, simply save and continue. Then are you authorized to work in United States? Yes. Then you have to read this, and are you willing to take a drug test? Yes, and simply click on save and continue. After that you can find some details here and some policies, so acknowledged, some contact here, again another contact from here, simply click on acknowledged. After reading it, I prefer you to reading it also. I'm going to skip this, all of this from here. Again acknowledged, simply again acknowledged, I have added. So this is all actually some type of terms and conditions. So here you can import the profile with your resume or CV. So after adding a resume and CV, you have to use its profile that actually existed, or you can do is you can manually add all of this from here, and educational history and work experience. Then simply click on this save and continue and complete the rest of the details that it asks for. Then you are actually good to go. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.